Let's do some other problems based on the properties of whole numbers. And in this question, you have to simplify this particular expression. That is, this particular expression is 126 multiplied by 55 plus 126 multiplied by 45, and you have to solve this question by simplifying it. Okay, it should not be like you are just straightly multiplied 126 by 55 and then 126 by 45 and then you added it. You have to simplify. You have to use the properties of whole numbers that we have discussed in the prior videos. So it's like here you could see that you have 126 in common here, right? Both this is the addition sign, this is the addition sign, and here it is 126 and here it is 126. Okay, so by the property of distributivity, we know that we can write A multiplied by B plus C as A times B plus B times C, or A multiplied by B and plus B multiplied by C. So this is a property of distributivity, right? Distributivity. So in a similar way here, like, sorry, it's not B, it's A, my mistake. It's A, right? So here you can take so what you can do with this one is, with this expression is, like, you can take A common, right? A is both the places and it would be B plus C again, right? You can get the same thing here. So in this question also you can take 126 is the number which is on both the places, and therefore it would be 126 times 55 plus 45. I hope that this is a very basic mathematics that we all know, and therefore you would get 126 multiplied by 55 plus 45 is 100, and therefore you would get 12,600, right? You will multiply by 100 and you will get this answer. So at your level, whatever question it would be asked, it would be just, you know, always would get some number in either in the multiple of 10 or in the multiple of 100 or multiple of 1000 or multiple of 10,000, and you would see this pattern in every question, right? You have to find the answer in the form, your answer would be in this range only, that is in the multiple of tens, either in the multiple of 100 or multiple of 10,000. Let's take one more example for, another question for on the same property of distributivity. So here you could see that whenever you find that you have this common number, like in both the places, okay, and therefore here you will use the distributivity property of whole numbers. So by the distributivity property of whole numbers, you take 297 times 17 plus 3. This is a very basic mathematics, we all know that, and therefore it would be 297 multiplied by 17 plus 3 is 20. Right. Now you can multiply this and you will get the answer. So the answer would be 14, 19, 5 and 4. You can do this, like I just straightly multiplied without doing any rough solution, or you can do like this, 297 multiplied by 20, and then you will get the same answer, 5,940. So this would be the answer for this question, and you can again see that it's containing it has 0 at its last. Similarly, it was having 0. So the problems that would be asked to you would be more or less like the answer would be in the multiples of 10, 100 or thousands, like that only.